Hi again, everyone. Don't forget to stop in at perfectstormtrading.com. Only 9 days left to enter the contest to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Tool Set. For today, Tuesday, September 21st, 2021, let's take a look at the Vedic chart, review that indication from yesterday. We were expecting this significant low to come in somewhere in the bigger B2 white black and also inside of the B1 green black. When these things are stacked up together, you will get the significant high or low will come in that frame. So we got that low late in the afternoon yesterday, about quarter after 3 p.m., and then the market's been trading up since then. Right now we're in another window. We got a new high in the white window here that came last night at between 2216 and 148. So we got a higher high there, and then we had a bit of a reaction off that, and then we started trading up again. Now we've got a new high in this bright green window in the A2 panel. So we're going to top out in here now. This is going to be active until about 7:25. So we've got a timing trigger coming up in there right here at 6:40. We've got one more window today, but it's not till early evening Eastern time at 1920 to 22:52, with the key time in that range being the green block on the A1 panel, and that's going to be center of that block's about 2020, so about 820. Switching to the Astro Excel Cosmo chart, here's what we got going for today. I marked the main Cosmo pivots that are coming up. We've got 636. We've got a double hump on the highest move of the day at 858, and again at the open 933. We have 1134 and 1428. I showed in the video a couple days ago about how well these humps time the market here, these big peaks on the Cosmo graphs. What happens here, generally the market will track one of these lines. It can invert at the peaks, it can invert at the crossovers. That's generally where you will invert, so you can follow the active line, and if the line is going to switch, you'll know where that's going to be because it's either at the peak, the valley, or the crossover. So you can kind of keep your eye on that. This is a little tricky today because we've got a double hump on the 847 and 915 points, or 920 points, and then again later we've got the afternoon peak points. We've got like a triple top here. It's actually 1338. I marked the center one at 1421, and the last one is at about 245. So that's going to be a little tricky right there when you get that. When you get a nice clean uh, hump or reversal on the indicator, you're generally going to get, a nice clean move there. And these show up really nice on the 30, 60 minute chart if you like trading at a little bit higher frame for your intraday trades. Then this is a perfect indicator to take trades off of with that. Once we get past the 3 o'clock area, you can see the Cosmo graph starts to tighten up and starts bouncing around. That generally is consolidation indication there, where we're going to kind of flatten out or just drift a bit, and that's coming into the area off hours kind of area where we don't trade anyway, from 1600 till about 1700, or rather 1900 in the evening. So we kind of prefer to stay out of the market at that point anyway. And that's Eastern time. Moving over to the pH chart, let me give you some pH times for today. Here's a couple method 1 and the method 2 indications. 646, 742, 906, 1045, 1148, 1354, and 249. So what I projected forward, I only projected 2 points forward, and you can project more. I projected the 203 low forward, and then the overnight high from 4:42 a.m. I projected those 2 points forward. Everything else was method 2. Okay, so there you have it. That's it for today. There's some stuff for Tuesday. We'll be back again Wednesday with another video, and we will see you then.